Manny, you're going to give us a show today. So what are you going to be doing here?
We got two projects, Kelly. Me and Michael, we're going to be working together. So we're going to transplant a nice silver torch crest cactus over here. And we're also going to cut the foxtail cactus in little pieces so we can make a family on those foxtail cactus.
Oh, this is great experience to have. So let me tell you, I know why you're wearing gloves, because yesterday I transplanted a cactus into the ground and I got these tiny little pricks all over me.
And not only that, this is also a very smart way to move cactus. Put your hand here, grab it from the roots, boom, and it's very easy. So let's share this with your followers.
Okay.
How this
Perfect.
works.
Let's do
go.
it.
Here is Kelly. This is the baby we're going to transplant so we can show the world how easy it is to transplant cactus. You grab a clay pot, put your hand inside, put them in one side, grab your cactus from the root system, and just get the right balance and lift. See? Now let's show you where we're going.
Let's go.
Here we are, Kelly. Here we are, Kelly. Look how easy it is to the world, all over the world. How easy it is to plant or transplant cactus. See? Easy peasy. Now, we just got to put soil. Maybe put a nice rock to give the right balance. And this is a beautiful specimen.
It's gorgeous.
This came import from Italy. See, you gotta be careful. Very good tool to manipulate your cactus. Don't plant it so deep so you don't cause any rotting issues. That's it. Ta-da!
Beautiful.
Ta-da! Ta-da, Kelly! Ta-da, salsa music! And here we are again, Kelly. We have tools in hand. We're gonna cut in pieces the nice foxtail agave from Campos Garden. Let's do it right here. Let's estimate 4 to 6 inch each piece. See? So it's the wrong time of the year to be doing this, but we had to put these pieces inside the greenhouse. That way the rain, the cold, the weather don't kill these babies. So look how many we had to cut. See? So easy to cut pieces from cactus and propagate them. So these beauties, they deserve to be propagated because there is not so many foxtails out there. So the people of San Jose, Monterey area, Carmel, Rundale area, Salinas, Santa Cruz, Bay Area, Gilroy, they have a chance to add one of these babies to their collection. And let's leave those for now. So it's just sharing with you, Kelly, so you can share with your followers.
And then what do we do with these if we wanted to propagate at home? What do we do with these pieces that you cut off?
These, we're gonna let them dry for 10 days. After they dry, they have to be inside the greenhouse. Put them in soil, no water for a month. Just leave them alone, even 2 months. And after 2 months, you can start watering once a month. So I got how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 5, 15 pieces.
15 pieces. Absolutely fantastic.
Choose! Ta-da, Kelly! Ta-da, salsa music!
Breadcrumbs so low, baby, little hard to find you. I'm not putting up with your breadcrumbs no more. I to do.